How could I work out I to the power of 17? Any suggestions? Have a look at what we're doing. We said every time we multiply by I, we're doing a rotation by 90 degrees anti-clockwise. You happy? You all happy? Okay, so multiplying by I corresponds to a rotation 90 degrees anti-clockwise. Now, every single time we multiply by I, we're going through one of these cycles. We go 1, I, negative 1, negative I, and then we're back to 1 again. Okay? So if you want I to the power of 17, you notice all you're going to have to do is divide by 4 and then look at the remainder. You're basically asking the questions, how many cycles have you gone through? How many times have you gone through 4 until you've got to 17? Then what's the remainder? Okay? So what is 17 divided by 4? It's 4, right? Because it's 16 divided by 4 is 4. What's the remainder?
1.
Which means it should be equivalent to I to the power of 1. Because it means that you've gone through the cycle, a complete cycle, 4 times. That gets you to I to the power of 16, right? But then you've had to go 1 more on from that. So you're then at I to the power, the same place as I to the power of 1. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Does it make sense to everyone?
So it equals to 1 or I?
It's equal to I. Yeah, so this is equal to I. But like I say, think of it as how many complete cycles have you done? And then how many more have you gone beyond that? So you do 17 divided by 4 because 4, a chunk of 4, is 1 complete cycle. Goes in 4 times. Don't care about that. It's gone round 4 times. That's all it means. Okay? But then how many more have you had to go round by? Another 1 turn, another rotation. Does that make sense? So what would I to the power of 2019 be?
Is 2018 can be divisible by 4?
You tell me.
If it's divisible, then it should close.
Is
I.
2000 divisible by 4? Divisible by 4?
Yeah.
Okay, so you can forget about that. You can just deal with the 19 bit, can't you? Because you don't care. The fact it's divisible by 4 just means you've done that many cycles. Okay,
Yeah.
so 2000 is definitely divisible by 4, which means that you can be back here. Then you just need to think about the 19.
Yeah.
So you've gone an extra, how many more cycles?
So I over 4, 2 cycle, which is 1, and also it's I then.
So it should be equal to I to the power of, what do you reckon?
Over 1?
3, right?
Oh.
Because if you do 2019
Ah, Jesus.
divided by 4, 2016 is divisible by 4, so that's your complete cycle done. You're back here at 1 if you like. Then you've had to go another 3 more round. So it'd be equivalent to I to the power of 3,
I miscalculated, sorry.
which is equal to negative I. That's fine. Does that make sense to everyone? Okay. So I to the power of something is actually really straightforward and easy if you just think about it as 1 complete cycle, and then how many more turns have you done? How many more turns of 90 degrees, if you like?